Welcome to UPSC preparation day 70. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from General Studies paper 1 2024. So let's begin. On June 21 every year, which of the following latitude experiences sunlight of more than 12 hours? The answer will be Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Next question, which has the largest tropical peatland, which holds about 3 years worth of global carbon emission from fossil fuels and possible destruction of which can exert detrimental effect of the global climate? So the answer will be Congo Basin. Congo Basin has the largest tropical peatland. With reference to perfluoroalkyl and polyfluoroalkyl substances that are used in making many consumer products, consider the following. PFAS are found to be widespread in drinking water, food, and food packaging materials. PFAS are not easily degraded in the environment. Persistent exposure to PFAS can lead to bioaccumulation in animal bodies. Which are correct? All the three options are correct. Consider the following: corabid beetles, centipedes, flies, termites, and wasps. Parasitoid species are found in how many of the above species? So the answer will be 3. Flies, termites, and wasp parasitoid species are found. Consider following: groundnut, horse crumb, soybean. How many belong to the pea family? All three belong to the pea family. Consider the following statement: Indian flying fox is placed under the vermin category in the wildlife. Indian flying fox feeds on the blood of other animals. Which statement are correct? Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Cicada, froghopper, and pond skeeter are what? These all are example of insects. Consider the following statement: many chewing gums are found in the market which are considered a source of environmental pollution. Many chewing gums contain plastic as gum base, which is correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Consider the following, match the following with country and animals found. Number 1, Brazil, animal intro. Number 2, Indonesia, animal elk. Number 3, Madagascar, animal bonobo. Which of them are correctly matched? So the answer is none of them are correctly matched. Which statement about World Toilet Organization is correct? The statement that World Toilet Summit, World Toilet Day, and World Toilet College are initiative of World Toilet Organization, which is set up to inspire action to tackle the global sanitization crisis. Consider the following statement: lions do not have a particular breeding season. Unlike most other big cats, cheetahs do not roar. Unlike male lions, male leopards do not proclaim their territory by scent marking. Which is correct? Only options 2 and 3 are correct. That is, unlike most other big cats, cheetahs do not roar, and unlike male lion, male leopards do not proclaim their territory by scent marking. Which is the correct depiction of 100 million farmers? So 100 million farmers is a platform for accelerating the transition towards food and water system that are net zero, that is carbon emissions are net zero, nature positive, and that aim to increase farmer resilience. Consider the following: battery storage, biomass generation, fuel cells, rooftop solar photovoltaic cells. How many of them are distributed energy resources? So the answer will be all 4 of them are distributed energy resources. Next question: which shows a unique relationship with an insect that has co-evolved with it, and that is the only insect that can pollinate this tree? So the answer will be fig. Consider the following: butterflies, fish, and frogs. How many have poisonous species among them? So answer will be all 3 of them. Butterflies, fish, and frogs all have poisonous species among them. Consider the following: cashew, papaya, red sandar. How many trees are actually native to India? So answer will be only red sanders is native to India. With reference to RTGS, radioisotope thermoelectric generators, consider the following. RTGS are miniature nuke fission reactors. RTGS are used for powering the onboard systems of spacecraft. RTGS can use plutonium-238. Which are correct? Only second and third option are correct. Consider the following 2 statements. Giant stars live much longer than dwarf stars. Compared to dwarf stars, giant stars have a greater rate of nuclear reaction. So statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Giant stars have shorter lifespan because they have a greater rate of nuclear reactions. Next question: which is synthesized in human body that dilates blood vessels and increases blood flow? Answer will be nitric oxide. Consider the following statement: identification of narcotics on passengers at airports, monitoring of precipitation, tracking migration of animals. In how many of them can radar be used? So answer will be only 2. Second and third option, radar can be used. Radar is based on the principle that radio waves are sent and any object on the path of the radio waves are detected. Doppler radar based on Rayleigh scattering detects precipitation. So that's why radar can be used to monitor precipitation and track migration of animals in airports. Consider the following: Rafale, MiG-29 and Tejas MQ. How many of them are considered fifth generation aircraft? So the answer will be none of them are fifth generation aircraft. Rafale is a fourth generation French aircraft. MiG-29 is a 4.5th generation Russian aircraft. Tejas MQ-1 is an Indian fourth generation aircraft. Sukhoi is a fifth generation aircraft. In which of the following are hydrogels used? Controlled drug delivery in patients, mobile air conditioning system, preparation of industrial lubricants. So the answer will be in all of three of them. Hydrogels are used. Which is the exhaust pipe emission from fuel cell electric vehicles powered by hydrogen? Answer will be water vapor, H2O. Recently pumped storage hydropower is actually and appropriately discussed in the context of which of the following? Answer will be long duration energy storage. Membrane bioreactor are discussed in the context of what? So the answer will be wastewater treatment technologies. With reference to Indian economic, collateral borrowing, lending obligation are instruments of what? Money market. Total fertility rate in an economy is defined as what? Average number of live births a woman could have by the end of her childbearing age. Consider the following statement. In India, non-banking financial companies can access the liquidity adjustment facility window of RBI. In India, foreign institutional investors can hold the G-SECs. In India, stock exchanges can offer separate trading platform for debts, which is correct. Only second and third option are correct. In India, which of the following can trade in corporate bonds and government securities? So retail investors, insurance companies and pension funds. Consider the following: exchange traded funds, currency swap, motor vehicles, which are considered financial instrument. Exchange traded funds and currency swap are considered financial instruments. Consider the following. So storage of agriculture produce is a tertiary activity, dairy farm is a primary activity, mineral exploration is a primary activity, weaving cloth is a secondary activity. Consider the following: agriculture waste, corn grain, wastewater treatment, sludge, wood mill waste. Which of the above can be used as a fuel stock for producing sustainable aviation fuel? So answer will be all four of them can be used as a feedstock for producing sustainable aviation fuel. Consider the following: farmer's plow is a fixed capital, computer is a fixed capital, yarn used by weaver is a working capital, petrol is a working capital. An interoperable network of 3D virtual worlds that can be accessed simultaneously by millions of users, which can exert property rights. The answer will be metaverse. Next question: with reference to rule or rules imposed by RBI while treating foreign banks, consider the following. There is no minimum capital requirement for wholly owned banking subsidiaries in India. For wholly owned banking subsidiary, at least 50% of the board members should be Indian nationals, which is correct. So the second option is correct. For wholly owned banking subsidiaries in India, at least 50% of the board members should be Indian nationals. Today we are going to study up to this. We are going to solve the rest of the questions of General Studies Paper 1 2024 in our next video. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.